Welcome. Now I am going to show you how to set a home page. Here is nothing. Go to backend. First we need to create a home page. So click pages. Then click add new page. Click on publish. Then publish. Close it. Back to dashboard. Hover on setting. Click on reading. Select a static page. Click here. Select home page. Save changes. Click on save changes. Go to website. Now it's here.